Exercises and workouts, 4 ways to boost your heart rate. For many people, hitting the gym is very challenging. It takes time away from your busy schedule and often you are too tired in the first place. However, what you need to remember is exercise does not necessarily have to take place in the gym. There are many ways to fit in a great workout session without even stepping foot in a commercial gym establishment. All you need to do is get your heart rate up. Do this, and you will be burning calories, strengthening muscles, and seeing results. Tip number 1. Turn up the music and dance. Dancing is seriously the most natural workout ever, and quite possibly, the most fun. Just turn up the music and get dancing. It is that easy. The faster the music, the quicker you will move, therefore the more beneficial this will be. Dancing is great because it is a full-body activity, therefore you are working every muscle group at once. Compare this with say biking at the gym, and you can quickly see the difference. Tip number 2. Go for a swim. Swimming, often regarded as a leisure activity, can still be a great way to get moving and raising your heart rate. It is not necessary to swim actual laps to benefit. This is a mistake many people make in their thinking process, and it turns them off swimming altogether. Just hit the pool and have some fun. That will be enough. Tip number 3. Plant a garden. Gardening is a fantastic way to burn calories and get in better shape, and it gives you an excellent result because of it. Many people think of yard work as a chore that has to get done, but if you look at it as an opportunity to get in some fitness and create something beautiful to look out at day after day, your view may change. If you do not have a garden, cut the grass. It is a similar concept. Tip number 4. Walk the stairs. One last idea to help you burn a few calories and get your heart rate up if you are stuck for ideas and want to remain indoors, is to walk your stairs. Whether it is the stairs of your house or apartment building, walking up and down the stairs will strengthen your lower body muscles while giving your heart a boost. Climbing stairs is one of the best cardiovascular exercises out there, so you cannot go wrong with this one. Turn up the music while you do it to make it more enjoyable. There you have a few of the best ways to burn calories and give your heart a boost. Raising your heart rate a few times a day is a fantastic way to boost your energy level, burn calories, and even improve your mood. Why not give it a try? Although managing type 2 diabetes can be very challenging, it is not a condition you must just live with. Make simple changes to your daily routine, include exercise to help lower both your blood sugar levels and your weight. Visit the link in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.